fantastic morning. I was saying, I'm good evening, Sam Neba. Badwam can see in some other toss. There's a fantastic outside. Yeah, Badwam, yet a bread war. Yes, another place to bet power. Okay, horn a Mortar Guinness and so yeah, and sponsors are. And yes, I'm going to make sure no matter the occasion. Mortar Guinness. And I say, oh man, I was here and I said, we be sure not the Mortar Guinness anymore. But we say, Koye Pani, na once a man. But when him said, about the CNS Sergio Manocho and a penalty party between our Omache Bibia Nitia, Medea Breo. Euro cost round of 16 and a cacket to a big uncle for Comete and Portugal. Cristiano Ronaldo in extra time, your penalty, that's a or body to Nakamo qualify for the next round. So now Samuel Jan DNA and a Pepe. Pepe, Samuel Jan Bosch Yankee, Ghana semi final. With it or Bosch Yanka Portugal quarter final. Nachama Hobart actually. Then they do penalties on one to never ball first. Send us a monjay. I don't know Pepe NC or Portugal game of France. About Belgium by goal to nil another tournament at Belgium for and to me uncle anymore. And we had the golden generation. Them say I had to go on and also so for where you 2 games are a pass and so the next stage of the many Belgium maybe Portugal and so through to the quarter final. And so the next game Portugal and France. Then Holland. And Romania, na Austria, and Turkey at the appearance. So I'm saying, baby, Holland and I'm on what this. I don't want to know change. Then 10 once I don't want to find out no. And because I'm going to answer Muru to know a hard the party at the Adidas and listen and some so see it here. Yeah, bar and so horrible. Now, Shannon Somame say Dance World Services and na in footro share carpet bunia there madam munyefe. Dance World biana bibia cleaning bia Dance World Services na make am for the amount na pay and offices na ade baby ho a hoso we here professionals no matimi a power CC ho nita ama bibia timi akoye so bibia conferences we say parliament house no name a Dance World Services make am for more at amount events cleaning my event we say mo cleaning ho nita na Dance World by am me number betwa at the amount one send one some see but yanko pimo the president of the Ghana Football Association Racket ESO Kreku na odi afucho shronkwema Vision FC players bra and they qualify for the Ghanaian Premier League. No more Division 1 and they be pim nano. Amo ya awards na papa ku pim wasia. What ya futu adima omo.
Wojina simpie so a wo two teams yi efo no. Owura okraku kyerɛ sɛ wa qualify nko ade den a obaji wani nanso ahoboa a wose wodi gu akwan mu no ɔsɛ wotum nkyene pa afei o players no momunya dene technical team no nso nimdeɛ no nkɔsoro a ɛno bɛboa ɛna quality a GPL no hwehwɛ no nso abɛhyɛ mu bi na wadi agoro na nyɛ sɛ wobɛso kwan so na yɛbɔ league na wie na wɔsa kɔ relegation ɛno nti Vision FC Home Stars and after Young Apostles next season we must see account Ghana Premier League no and some say and a GFA Tibrekese what the tuja.
There's one advice I've always offered to players and to clubs who make it to the top tier. There's a big difference between the Division 1 League and the Premier League. There's a huge difference. I've always said that the road ahead of us will be tough. The road ahead of you will be tough. Will be rough. But when you stay together as a team, when you allow teamwork to lead all of you, when you listen to your technical team, you will always go through the bad patches and win championships. It is possible. Trusting each other, believing in each other, and respecting each other. This is the way. There will be challenging moments. There will be misunderstandings. There will be many, many happy moments. But it's always important for all of us and for all of you to believe in the vision and to stay within the vision. That is the only way.
Nansem we nyina Owraket okraku ade tudwa wabra Vision FC omo end of season awards no wɔn de pim so Alisa Hotel a yɛbɔ players dodoɔ na aba so afei technical team no nso yɛbɔ wɔn aba so ɛna mpanimfoɔ a wɔde team n'anim no nso wɔn nso gyi bi a wɔn si nkonnwa asan didi no mu yɛ lifetime achievement coach Hamza Obeng yɛde hyɛ ne nsa na ne gyi saa dwumadie yi ho wabra a wɔboa wɔn ho aba Ghana Premier League nim no.
It wasn't an easy journey. It was very difficult, but due to hard work and teamwork, I would say Alhamdulillah, we are able to. I would say Alhamdulillah, we are able to make this achievement possible. Thank you very much.
Services, Dance World Services, yes, sponsors. Now make come once a match or more excel out supposes Regimano listed Nungwa barrier. Yes, a horna Jumason Amudino, Kuyi or Hopa, Enya some Ketuakra. Former Black Stars captain John Mensah, the Samatuja, when him say Coach Otuado, there are 10 of Otuado. About the Brinana Chamadrin, but the games being no abono. Competitive games, Sameka. Competitive games. Wabo Jumapa, Anya Sam Ketuakra, and former Black Stars captain John Mensah and somebody to Ghana. But Panabayano, I say Kakrak, I should Ghana Black Stars Dinya, as a queen fast bono, Esther, the Papa.
They say what do you need to super so Ghana World Cup qualifiers, you know, CAF, Deno, Group I, Yatosu Menu, and I say Otado, Befa Bobo Kono. Come here say monti mono e kosoro nkakra nkra Ghana fo ni tete honom e bobo payabaso na sana players ahodo abobo boko no bi pen enso ni tete ho ahwe Otuado ne mrante no enka ne captain edema Black Stars John Mensah ene ne wo kasa wono we kire se adwuma kakra Otuado abono eso ani pa ohun se Black Stars ball na sesa bibia mu no omudi kane a wo hwe ne mu se World Cup qualifiers no sanso ba 2025 Bosumi match no on back to the chat agwom fi na makoda atwede no soro.
Well, actually, they did well for the last two games they played to make Ghana be in the top of the group or the second of the group. I think it's a very good idea for the coach Otu and his colleagues John Pinton and Fatauda and the others. I think they are doing well. The guys also are performing well. So I think we have to give our maximum support for them to continue to work for the nation, and I think it will be good for the nation.
Right, the Rock of Gibraltar. Next somebody to a now to say yes. Well, yes, say Coach Otuado, but me they qualify for the World Cup and also budget trophies be at the Amaya. Ukopimo our tema. There's this school, our tema, Badwam St. Nicholas Charity School. Our tema. Now, ma enkwala free education, more free meals, more free school uniforms, nyasam Ketuakra. For a Black Stars player, Mohamed Kudus, and chair our Footballer of the Year back-to-back or Ghana Football Awards. One of Black Stars team Dr. Pambo, Akopimo, our science school, and it players na kodi komo men cancer students. And you might actually come Asha Munkrai, someone you have on one cassa, if I Mohamed Kudus, and your boy pet no her so boy or the school so batanti or talent here. Where so na Asian the answer can I do actually pa. Natia, Dr. Pambo and Kudus Coco Pimo or school your name one seminana, a munchemuni.
Privilege for me to be here. I heard about the educational purpose and the project here, and then I thought it would be very nice to come and see and then encourage you guys. All of you have dreams and aspirations that you want to achieve, but the baseline to all of that is education. You know, even in football, we still use education. All the dreams you guys want to achieve in your life, I think education is a basic part of it. So it's nice to see you guys are happy and enjoying what you do. You know. it's nice to be here, and then you can see the smiles on my face, and then the teachers and all the workers and everyone around putting in effort every single day to make sure that you guys get the best education as possible. I want to use the opportunity to also thank them. But I'm happy to be here. Thank you.
I'm happy we have Kudus with us here. I was here sometime last year during one of the programs. He was supposed to be here himself, but he was busy scoring goals for West Ham. So I represented him, and I made a promise that when he finds time, we will visit the kids and the school. And we just want Mohammed to serve as an inspiration for the children. We can identify with a lot of the children here because we both come from the same background, right from the northern part of the country, and very deprived beginnings. But today, Kudus is who he is. Just because of God's grace and hard work. I find myself where I am as a doctor just because of God's grace and hard work. So all of you here are capable of becoming doctors, lawyers, footballers, teachers, and everything you want to.
I know Nadia Corso or St. Nicholas School or Tema. You mean it's a project here, Senia Niama, SC call or animal, Morta Guinness can one of Pena, that ABBA everywhere, and of course, Dance World Services, cleaning services, you say Ghana, Wajiba, Biaboswa, no matter the cleaning service you need, a Dance World Service, nice, on your more attraction, and common. Now, Romeo's in a from say instructor Man United and one more a coach Maxwell Kunadu a party ways a Maxwell anya who be our South Africa on any HM Waku Huedi. A munch in our Sergio Manocho Boemo.
And some Echa Guono, a Sawachi FA Cup and chair, Nanka in Suatramaya Badwam, and a Confederation Cup next season. Omujina Wakwati Ghana Nimuno, Ura Maso Kunadu Ejinachiri. Nansu hunu ese ya no ayedenia de ban se bobo ko bi wo South Africa ono na no ayedenia wo hwe se maso kunadu ababa sinkonwa na odi tweredu asin krata so na contract ne waje atumu inso atreman bobo ko no onfa nsem bia metu dwa wono kire se one oru maso kunadu agya adwumaye ensem gusu a eboboba sesi asisi ne kwawie no omo hwenim se coach ne de ne report beba Enough players awodo obehia omode abo next season no ode aba enti nsem we atwagu won framamu a omode omani da honom se contract ye nsu ye de obi bia de neji omo coach ne ho no omaye krado bibia kwato a owura maso akunadu agya boboku no
ano na area fi Maxwell Kunadu akache de ba be na area chare se be fa senfa nso ateman be jana manako leopards South Africa so emre and krabia and a betcha. You may so now pay in some let's see by Dance World Services from 0555 752 361 0555 752 361 and Dance World Services and come carpet sofa waste management. Yeah, the day be a feed Dance World Services chi say MFA ball and come out well and say ball and if you have a copy of cry. Omo ba bi ombe fa ko na bibia so atimi akoye 0555 752 361 Sergio Manocho ne Bernard Paribo twe me producers me patro ya na wakai e de nankasa aka kejua ne ho amame se sia de e fiam ankwata makro na de apomodi ho nsama eto aso yempon yo koso hebedwo